Good morning, my friends. Jovi here. Hi. And I wanna talk about my progress. As I told you, I'm in this ECDL course, building up my Word and online and Excel and PowerPoint skills. So, as I told you last week, I planned to do my next exam this week, which I'm going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow I will have the examination about the online, not online, sorry, about Word. You know, I thought I would know a lot about Word, but if you are in the course, you just realize that there's still a lot to be learned. I mean, those key combinations to work faster, to work easier, there are a lot of key combinations which makes your work really easier, and you can do so much on Word. I've never imagined, because I've never used it. You know, now that I know it, I'm sure I will go and be able to apply it, and that will be a lot of fun applying it. So, as I told you, tomorrow I will have my next examination on Word. Then I plan to continue with the online skills. I think this will be an easy one for me because I'm online the whole day, so shouldn't be that difficult. But this will be the next I will do, and I hope I can finish and make my examination next week, then around Wednesday. I think around Wednesday I should be able to do that. I will see how my progress will be, and we'll work on that. So cross the fingers for tomorrow for my next one. And I just want to add something to that when you have goals in mind, when you plan to do things and you have wishes, dreams, goals, then it's really a good thing to make a schedule when you want to have what on what date. I mean, like I told you last week, I would do my examination this week, and I planned that so I could work on that. And I'm doing my examination tomorrow. So the same is with when you have plans for yourself, when you have a dream you want to accomplish, you want to reach, then you should really schedule by when you want to have that done. You know, it makes it a lot easier because you are focused on that. You already can see the end of your work. You know, you're working towards this goal, and it's much easier if you have set up make an appointment with yourself. You see, by then I will have reached that and that. By then I will have done my to-do list. By then, or in 6 months, I will have such much income. You can plan everything in advance, and it makes it really a lot easier to get to where you want to get if you have a plan in mind. And this is something you really have to get used to do, myself as well, because you're used to work, you know, without seeing an end of something, and that is wrong, because you end up working and never reaching your goal. You know, never reaching the task you have set up for yourself. So it makes it really easier if you say, by then I will have done this and this. By then I will have gone through my to-do list by then. The things you have in mind, put an end to them by when you want to have reached that. It makes it really a lot easier. So now what time is it? In about 20 minutes my course start again. So cross the fingers for tomorrow. Think about me, and I will let you know how I did. Okay, thank you so much, and I wish you a nice day, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Bacio.